The EMA 50 basically is as of now at $0.001 in an unobtrusive manner. The $0.00074695 support level for SPEL United States dollar generally is major areas of strength for truly, as opposed to prevalent thinking. SPEL United States dollar by and large is defied with opposition level of R1 at $0.00096090, which truly is very huge. Bears control SPEL's truly current cost activities in an especially significant manner. 23 January 2024, in this video we will especially walk you through generally SPEL pretty symbolic cost examination for now or for the following week and generally attempt to answer these habitually especially sought clarification on some things, facts. What really is momentary cost expectation for truly SPEL token, in a real sense is by and large SPEL a kind of wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. SPEL pretty symbolic help and opposition levels and so forth, which sort of is very critical. Be that as it may, prior to jumping exceptionally profound into the SPEL specialized examination, for the most part allowed us by and large to discuss the essentially current economic situations in a by and large significant manner. Market investigation over the sort of last 24 hours, there basically was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the by and large whole digital currency market to $1,525,941,013,570, showing that the $0.00074695 support level for SPEL United States dollar especially as serious areas of strength for truly, basically is genuinely huge. The exceptionally all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $72,835,133,742, which especially is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 50.44% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. Which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $39,258.10 level after a decay of 2.3%. Which truly is genuinely critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value reduction of 6.51%, coming to $2,192.72 during the past 24 hours, or so they certainly thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $294.60, following a value change of 4.54% within a similar time span in an unpretentious manner. Sold the truly local coin of Solana really is somewhere near 4.89 and at present exchanging at $81.66, exhibiting that sold the essentially local coin of Solana most certainly is somewhere around 4.89 and as of now exchanging at $81.66, which by and large is very critical. Moreover, XRP came to 51 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 3.77% in esteem, further appearance how the $0.00074695 support level for SPEL United States dollar in every practical sense is areas of strength for truly, really is very huge. These occasions for the most part show that the market explicitly is going in a descending heading for present moment, exhibiting that 23 January 2024. In this video, we will basically walk you through generally SPEL token cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these habitually explicitly clarified some things, facts. What in a real sense is somewhat transient cost expectation for truly SPEL token, all things considered, is in a real sense SPEL a wise venture, which explicitly is genuinely critical. As of now, a truly broad quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. SPEL kind of symbolic help and opposition backing and obstruction explicitly are significant specialized markers used to fundamentally distinguish most certainly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a sort of huge manner. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers especially become in every way that really matters, more kind of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Similarly, opposition in every practical sense is a level at which merchants certainly become move sort of dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which sort of shows that SPEL United States dollar in a real sense is defied with obstruction level of R1 at $0.00096090, which basically is very critical. Following in a real sense are the help and opposition levels of for the most part SPEL, especially token, SPEL, by and large SPEL, commonly token execution, The cost of especially SPEL sort of token, SPEL, generally is at $0.000869994, down 1.69% in the for the most part beyond 24 hours, and certainly has a value change of 6.06% throughout the week. Exhibiting how yet prior to jumping commonly profound into the SPEL specialized examination, generally let us especially discuss the especially current economic situations, or so they for the most part thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC certainly is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while most certainly complete market cap came to 89,992,626 United States dollars in an unobtrusive manner. There in every practical sense are practically 103,446,920,678 by and large are available for use out of 103,214,939,480, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $294.60, following a value change of 4.54% within a similar time span in an essentially significant manner. SPEL pretty symbolic value investigation generally SPEL cost examination for 23 January 2024, inside an especially everyday time span, sort of made sense of underneath, which sort of shows that sold the exceptionally local coin of Solana for the most part is somewhere near 4.89 and presently exchanging at $81.66. Exhibiting that sold the by and large local coin of Solana certainly is somewhere around 4.89 and right now exchanging at $81.66, which truly is very critical. We utilize commonly relative strength index RSI, moving in every practical sense, normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including genuinely straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and dramatic moving all things considered. Normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the SPEL really token in an unpretentious manner especially. While SPEL's Williams %R marker for the most part is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange truly signal in a real sense is entirely conceivable at this reach, which truly is very huge. The SPEL United States dollar moving pretty normal combination and difference, MACD, marker, truly is showing a truly present moment in a real sense, sell especially signal, as the MACD line by and large is moving beneath, especially signal line which generally implies basically bears sort of are overwhelming on the lookout. Exhibiting how these occasions sort of show that the market certainly is going in a genuinely descending heading for fundamentally present moment, exhibiting that 23 January 2024. In this video we will really walk you through in every practical sense. SPEL sort of token cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these regularly truly clarified some things, facts, what especially is genuinely transient cost expectation for